Yes, this is my most favorite Halloween quilt I have ever made. It is my new quilt pattern called Grinning Gourds, and by the end of this video, I think you'll love it too. Here are my top 5 reasons why I think you'll love my new Grinning Gourds quilt pattern. Reason number 1, you only need 10 fat quarters to make it. I feel like 10 fat quarters is a very manageable number to either pull from your stash or go to the quilt store and pick and choose your own prints. I used all oranges for mine, right? But the awesome online fabric shop, Handmade is Heart Made, has created this pretty kit too. Links to the kit and my pattern are in the description for you. Reason number 2, the sewing is simple, traditional piecing, and super easy to chain piece 2 blocks at a time because you get 2 blocks out of each fat quarter. I have full color diagrams for how to cut the fat quarters, plus a handy chart and block diagram letting you know how many cuts of everything are needed to make just 1 block. Reason number 3, why I think you'll love my Grinning Gourds quilt pattern. We're not going to waste those big corner chunks on each block. We make our diagonal line from corner to corner like normal and cut away the extra. Instead, I like to mark a second line a ½ inch from the diagonal that I'm also going to sew on. Then, when you're cutting away the extra from each pumpkin corner, you actually end up with half square triangle blocks that are already sewn up and ready to be used. I plan on making mine into a pillow. I just need to finish squaring them up to 2½ inches first. Number 4, no sashing makes sewing the whole quilt top together much easier. All you have to do is add a background rectangle to the top or bottom of each pumpkin, and then it's just sewing blocks together with very few seams you have to match up. It's also a nice 60 by 60 size, big enough to be a throw or small enough to be a nice fun seasonal wall hanging. Which is reason number 5 to love my Grinning Gourds quilt pattern. The sewing fun doesn't end with this one. I've got a Christmas wreath and a flower version already in the works. So especially if you want to display your quilt on the wall, you know you won't have to patch any holes or anything when you want to switch them out. Each quilt will be the same size, have all the same reasons to love about them too. Only 10 fat quarters needed, 12-inch finished blocks, easy piecing, and fun. Are you in love yet? If you've made it this far in the video, a huge thank you. And let's do a giveaway. Put love it in the comments and subscribe. And in a few days, I'll choose 2 of you from the comments to get a free copy of the pattern. I've got another pumpkin quilt tutorial that you might like to watch after this one. Comment love it to enter the giveaway. Links to the kit and the pattern are in the description. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.